In your Windows computer, if you are using Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you can see if in your Word you can see here this is the plus sign, and you can see a 2 is written here. That is the plus sign with the subscript 2. So how to create this symbol in your Windows computer is the topic that we are going to discuss in this video. So how to create this sign, that is a plus sign with the subscript 2. So for creating this, you go to your keyboard, and this keyboard you must first turn on your number lock. That's the number lock should be enabled. The next step is you must press and hold this alt key. That is, you do not remove your finger from this alt key on the left side of your space bar. There you can see alt key. So you must press and hold this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 1079 1. After typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. If you use this alt code, that is alt plus 1079 1, then you can see the plus sign with the subscript 2 have been error. So if you type like that, then you can see the symbol arriving will be look like this. So you can create this symbol in Windows computer by using this method if you are opening this in Microsoft Word. Okay, you can subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online for more videos like this. Thank you.